In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to improve sound quality in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we have our audio clip here in our timeline. We just simply need to right click on it and then go into normalize audio levels. In here, in the normalization mode, you want to select this one right here. So ITURBS 1770-4. And then you want to go into target level, make sure it's -3, and then target loudness is -15. Click on normalize. And now, once it is normalized, you want to go in here into the effects tab right here, and then go into search right here into the audio effects. And then you want to simply search for vocal channel. And then you want to drag it here into your audio clip. And then you should have something like this. And now you just simply need to follow my settings in here. So first of all, you want to enable high pass, and the frequency here should be 130, just like that, 130. And then next is that you would want to go here for the low frequency to be 150. So you could just type it right there. And then this one is 880. It's fine. This one is 6400. And then the low gain should be 8.4. And then high gain is 6.1. 6.1 right there. And then next is that you want to enable the compressor also, and then set the threshold into 20 right here. I think that's fine. And then next is that you want to go into ratio, and then you want to set this into 4. And then once you're done, you want to now go and close this, and then you will now play and test your audio, and then you'd now be able to see that it is now much more improved. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.